Welcome back to Playground. We are still here with Pao and Jason, and things are about to heat up.
Absolutely. We have two clean targets each, and we're going to take 10 shots at it. The two of them will be coaching us. I'll have Jason, and I like my chances here, so let's see what happens. And Jason, can you tell us a bit about what we're about to do here? Because if I understand correctly, we're going to do it prone.
Yeah, it's a prone position for 3P. And you each have 10 shots. You should at least hit the block or
Yeah,
I mean
inside the target.
Inside the target.
Inside the target.
All right.
Those are the very
Black
low
part, yeah.
standards.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
block part.
That's
Yeah, no.
basically it. But of course, I also like my chances here. I mean, real power.
Yeah, I know.
Real power. So I need to ask, what are your tips for me so that I will be able to hit the targets well?
I think the most important thing is your breathing. So I think you need to breathe 3 times, inhale and exhale, before you hold your breath to aim.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So
To
I'll
lose
be going.
again?
I'll be going first, and with all the humility in the world that she does not have, I will place this and get started. That is fun. That is fun. So we have the results here, and you know what? Just looking at it, I needed to calibrate it a bit more to the left.
Yeah, you're hitting upper right.
Yeah. But but the thing is, after every shot, normally you have an idea kung saan pupunta, or is that not the case for you guys?
Basically, my 10 shots would be erasing this one.
Of course it would. You would, right?
Yeah.
I mean, but after every shot, normally, would you be able to actually see if you hit the target and adjust then?
Yes. Sa electronics, and then if we can retrieve the targets, I can actually adjust it.
So we're firing blind here, actually. So
Yeah.
let's find out whether or not Bea can do better
Yes.
and
I
get
will.
the center. So we'll find out that.
Yes.
in just a minute. Bea, I think you hit the other target.
That sounded like a bullseye to me.
What does a bullseye sound like?
That.
Okay, so Bea's getting her target, and
Okay.
that's a
Moment
that's a
of truth.
That's a nice spread for me, really.
Pao, how did I do?
Okay, so you're missing 1 shot.
Just
One
one
shot.
compared to Pao. That's
Who's missing 2
Two.
shots?
Yeah.
You answer.
Oh my
Oh my
God! Here we go
goodness!
again.
Oh my gosh! Okay, Pao, we were just talking about this earlier. You were nervous to lose the shooting, and you did. I am so sorry. I'm still winning. I still have the streak. I am so happy. Woo! Palakpakan naman siya.
And when we come back,
We're not done yet. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I won. I'm very surprised.
Congrats, yeah, so am I. But you know what? That's how it all works out. Jason and Pao, thank you very much
Thank
for
you, guys.
showing us a lot
Yes.
about the sport. We had a lot of fun. Bea obviously had a lot more fun than I did at the end of this segment. But you know what? We really appreciate what you guys have shown us, and good luck in your
Yes,
future
best
games.
of luck.
Yes, thank you.